So, you're a developer with the skills, but landing that dream job, it can feel like hitting a brick wall. You fire off resume after resume, and sometimes all you hear back is silence. But here's the thing. What if I told you there are specific, actionable strategies that can dramatically change your odds? I'm Ramendra, and in this video, I'm breaking down 5 powerful resume hacks specifically for developers that will help you cut through the clutter and get you hired fast. We're talking practical tips, no fluff, just the stuff that actually moves the needle. Let's get into it. Let's talk about why developer resumes are a completely different beast. Recruiters spend under 10 seconds on a resume for tech roles. They're sifting through hundreds of applications looking for immediate indicators of core competencies and key technologies. Your resume needs to be optimized for that first glance. It has to scream qualified and relevant from the moment it's opened. The hacks we're about to cover are designed to make sure your key qualifications jump off the page and grab that recruiter's attention within those first crucial seconds. Let's dive into our first big hack, the dreaded generic skills list. Listing technologies as a static block doesn't tell a recruiter much. Instead, integrate your skills directly into your experience and quantify the impact. For example, led the migration of a legacy jQuery-based front-end to a modern React and Redux architecture, resulting in a 40% decrease in page load times and a 15% increase in user engagement. This approach provides context, showcases problem-solving abilities, and highlights concrete results. Recruiters love quantifiable achievements because it helps them understand the potential ROI of hiring you. Backing your skills with real-world impact is a game-changer. When it comes to projects on your resume, depth will always beat quantity. Select 2 or 3 of your most substantial and relevant projects and go deep on them. Tell a concise story: the problem, your role, the technologies used, and the outcome. For instance, developed a full-stack e-commerce platform for artisanal coffee, resulting in over 200 orders in the first month and a 70% increase in client visibility. This detailed, results-oriented description for a few key projects is far more compelling than a superficial list of many. It gives a much clearer picture of your capabilities. Let's talk about the gatekeepers, applicant tracking systems, or ATS. Most companies use these systems to scan and filter applications, review the job description, and identify key skills and technologies. Strategically weave these keywords throughout your resume. Master simplicity in your formatting. Avoid tables, columns, images, or unusual fonts. For most developers, a one-page resume is still king. It forces you to be concise and highlight only your most impactful and relevant information. A clean, well-structured single-page resume that's also keyword optimized for ATS is a powerful combination. Your resume makes claims about your skills, but your GitHub provides the tangible proof. Recruiters will often click that GitHub link to see your work firsthand. Pin your best 2 or 3 projects to the top of your profile. Ensure these projects have clear, well-written README files. Make sure your code is clean, commented where necessary, and that your commit messages are descriptive. Your GitHub is your living, breathing portfolio. It's a chance to show, not just tell, what you can do. There you have it, 5 actionable hacks to level up your developer resume. These are practical steps you can implement right now to make a real difference in your job search. Landing that tech role can be a grind, but a strategically crafted resume is one of your most powerful tools. Grab the free resume checklist I've put together. The link is right below. If this video was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments which of these hacks you're going to implement first. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.